Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Amazon Pro Video's language on your desktop. So, don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon Pro Video tutorials. Open Amazon Pro Video on your desktop. I'm using Microsoft Store here, so you can also open the web version. Now click on Profile Picture and you'll find the account in Settings under Menu. Click on that option. And here under your account, locate the Language tab. Click on the Language tab and change the website language from English to your desired language, for example, French, Arabic, Italian, or German. So you can also change the streaming language of your Amazon Prime with you, the app itself, so you can select the streaming language in Arabic or in English or in French. This is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done. You successfully changed the language of Amazon Prime Video in few simple steps. If you found this guide easy and helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.